today's video we will learn how to enter a HTML program and compile the HTML program to get the result in NetBeans IDE environment. So this is the icon for the NetBeans IDE environment. Click this. Once you click this, the environment, the particular application will be open. This is the first page of this NetBeans IDE environment. Since we are going to type the first program, HTML program in NetBeans IDE, we are having this menus here. The possible menus available here are File, Edit, View, Navigate, Source, Refactor, Run, Debug, Profile, Team, Tools, Window, Help. And next is Tools bar available, and we have a project window, navigator window, and this is the place for editor window where we enter the codes, and this is the debugger or output window. We get as debugger window or output window. Output will not be shown over here, but the status of compilation will be shown. If we have any errors will be shown here, and if we don't have any errors, build successful message will be shown over here. So let us go for the new project. To start out new program, go for file menu, select new project. Since we are dealing with web application programs, select Java web. So on selecting this, it tells creates an empty web application in a standard IDE project. A standard project uses an IDE generated build script to build, run and debug your project. So I am selecting web application. Press next button here. Here you have to give the name for your project. Since I am willing to print welcome through this program, so I am giving the name as hello web. So already exists instance, so I am simply putting hello, and this place it tells the project location, and this tells the project folder. Let it be in this folder itself. If you want to change, press the browse and select the appropriate folders and locations where this project should be placed. Next, select the next button. We have to give the server settings here. Since when I have installed this NetBeans IDE in my machine, I selected only Glassfish server for this IDE environment. So it is showing only one Glassfish server. If I have both servers, Tomcat, Apache Tomcat, it will be listing here. So in which server I want to run this particular project, you have to select. Since I am having only one server here, so I have to select this one. And this tells about the Java EE version. Okay, next tells about the context path. Press the next button. Here we have to select the frameworks you want to use in your web application. Since we are dealing with the simple HTML programs, we don't want any frameworks in our program. So I am simply, without selecting anything, I am checking without I am checking any frameworks, I am clicking the finish button. So once I click this, project has been created by the IDE environment. This is the project. So for this project, defaultly when we open a project in NetBeans IDE, these are the 4 folders created. First one is web pages, source packages, libraries, configuration, files. And this portion is called as Project Explorer, or project window, and this is called as navigator window, and this is called as code editor window, and this is the debugger window, output window. So here in this place only we will be writing our code here. So when we press this plus button, it extension shows what are all the folders and files created under that. So you can see a web inf and a folder and index.html. So under the web pages folder, index files, HTML files should be placed. Under the folder web pages, you have to insert the HTML files. If you are working with servlets, you should place under the source packages. Okay, so automatically when a project is opened, the default index.html file will be created in this project. Better don't change this name into any other as user is willing, because when a project is going to run, it first gives the importance to the index.html program. So what we have to do, that is written in index.html. We shouldn't rename or name as our wish. So strictly we have to maintain that the first file which gets priority in the project is index. So let the name be index.html as it is. My aim is I want to print the message on the browser, welcome to the world of web. So let it can be printed in the heading tag h1. So I type this, welcome to the world of web. That's all. So this is the only line I want to see on the browser. Once I have written the code, I have to execute or run the project or run the program. There are three ways to execute the project. One, you can press this icon or press F6 from the keyboard, or go for this file menu, select run project, or go for the name of the file index.html in the project window, select it, right click it, it will be showing run file, select or press shift plus F6 from the keyboard. So I am selecting this button. So once pressing this, you can see some changes in the output. So it is telling deploy. So this is the output of the program what I have returned. Welcome to the world of web. And it every time Glassfish server will be showing the output in the local host 8080. Not only Glassfish server, all the program outputs will be shown in the local host port 8080 for this application. Thank you for watching this video.